Hi there, my name is Mark. I'm a design student here on campus. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about how you could create your own developer community and connect with interesting people in tech domain. And let's go. And first of all, you will be wondering why I, as an individual, should connect with people in tech domain. Even I am not a CS student, I'm now as an engineering student in the engineering school, still it's very important for us to connect with people in tech domains or from CS field. So because like, when even you're like CS student, often the time you will be sticking to particular field you're interested in. Like for me, example, I am particularly interested in web development, embedded system, rocket technology, avionics, and software. But even these technology have a lot of potential, a lot of stuff to explore. I have a chance to meet one of my partners called Seth Austin Harding. He's an American student in Taiwan studying computer science. He introduced blockchain technology to my world that broadened my horizon and understand all the kind of opportunity I can explore as a CS student. So, and also, once you can connect with the people that is interesting in technologies, and also you can extend your knowledge and also your interest in technology, even if at the beginning you are not interested in this field. And so let's talk about how you could create a community among you, or also how to connect people in the tech domain. Well, first of all, what we'll be talking about is be active. Activeness is so important in this field. Everyone is kind, but you have to go first. Everyone is willing to make friends with you, connect and share information with you, but you have to go first because you have to be active, sharing information, providing value to them, and also making friends along this way. We will be talking about second important part of the entire how to make friends and connect people in tech domain is to be kind and open. In the tech and CS world, there's so all kinds of technology going on. There's no particular stack of technology that is the best. It's not the greatest technology ever, or rather there's some particular technology you're suitable for your need, that what you might be interested in, or you like. It's simply just you like it. So you will be needed to be open and kind and to others that is not using your favorite technology, or is not in your fields, or even eventually doesn't understand what you'll be talking about. It's totally fine, because in making friends in CS field is required openness and activeness. In the end, bringing your value to the table is important, because once we can create your own community, you also need to bring your own value to the table. Like for example, I am a web front developer, so I also can contribute my knowledge and experience in web development and front-end development to the table to share with others like Web3 developer, blockchain technology engineer, and so forth, to share what I know and share what they know, so together we will form a community. So today we're already talking about three major factors contributing in how you could create a community around you in the tech domain. So see you next guy, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and click the like button, and I'll see you next time.